Today, I'll show you how to make your laptop feel brand new again by performing a complete reset. This process restores performance, cleans out unwanted programs, and resets Windows to factory-like condition while giving you control over what stays and what goes. Follow every step carefully. First, open the Start menu and search for Settings. Inside the Settings window, click on System from the left panel, then scroll down and select Recovery. Under the section called Reset this PC, click Reset PC. Here, you'll see two options. Keep My Files. This will keep your personal documents, photos and videos, but it will remove all apps and settings. Remove everything. This wipes all personal files, apps, and settings, making your laptop completely fresh like it just came from the store. If you want a truly clean system, I recommend selecting Remove Everything. But if you need to keep your files, choose Keep My Files. Next, Windows will ask how you'd like to reinstall the operating system. You have two choices. Cloud Download. This downloads the latest Windows installation files directly from Microsoft servers. It's great if you want the newest version, but it requires stable internet and more than 4 GB of data. Local Reinstall. This uses the existing Windows installation files stored on your laptop. It's faster and doesn't need internet, but may not always give you the very latest version. For most users, local reinstall is faster, but if your system files are corrupted, go with Cloud Download for a completely clean slate. Click Change Settings for advanced reset options. Here you can clean data drives, securely wipe data from your drives. This takes longer but ensures old files cannot be recovered. Download Windows Fresh Image. This guarantees you're starting from scratch without pre-installed bloatware. After selecting your preferences, click Next. Windows will now prepare the reset. Before confirming, click on View Apps to be removed. This shows every application that will be uninstalled during the process, so you know exactly what's going away. Finally, click Reset. Your laptop will restart, and the reset process will begin. This may take 20-60 minutes depending on your hardware. Once it's done, Windows will boot up just like a new machine and you'll need to set it up again.